Hello, my name is Mr. Sullivan. I'm the Autobody and Collision Repair Instructor at Northern Tier Career Center. In our program, we learn about vehicle design and construction, sheet metal straightening, filler work, plastic repair, surface prep, refinishing, structural straightening and repair, basic welding, corrosion protection, and interior and exterior auto detailing. While you're in the program, you'll have the opportunity to earn 14 I-CAR certifications and the PA Auto Inspection certification to inspect vehicles. While in your senior year, you would possibly have the opportunity to go into a co-op and work in a shop while still in high school. A lot of my students after graduation will go right into the workforce, go work in body shops with the understanding and knowledge for them to get a job and to be successful. Some will move on to post-secondary opportunities with various trade schools. I hope you'll consider attending the program at the Northern Tier Career Center.